find the toy section in our shops, looking for Legos. Naglibog ta kidagan kayo mga dulaan. Yan si Ima. Microphone. Babies. Toddlers, 1.5-year-old to 5 years old. That's cute. Oh. Hello. For babies, 3+ months. Lego. Yeah, Harry Potter toys. Make decision. It's hard to choose a toy. Harry Potter toys. Harry Potter. There's costumes. Cute kayo sila, no? So cute. Cute little teddy bears.
Give you my heart.